Hey guys, welcome to this property, which is a terrace 3-bedroom house, and we're converting it to a 6-bedroom all-ensuite HMO. This will be making over £53,000 for our client annually. Let me show you inside. So we started this build at the beginning of June, so currently we're in the beginning of July, so we're 1 month into the project, and let me show you a little bit about the progress. So right now you're in bedroom 1, so this is an all-ensuite HMO as I mentioned, so this will be a double bedroom. Right now if you pan and see the chimney, it's the only thing remaining structurally to be changed in this property, where we're going to remove this chimney in order to get a larger bedroom. We've already partitioned up, first fix is already complete, windows are getting changed this week, so you'll see a lot of progress in the next few weeks on this particular one. And if I run you through, so on this particular one, we've got 2 kitchens, so one downstairs and one on the first floor. And the reason why we've done that is because we've got property over 3 floors, so we always find it easier if we can have a kitchen in the middle of the building as well. Again, same thing here, we're going to be creating a larger kitchen by removing the chimney. The window that you see there is currently blocked up. It's going to be a doorway to access to the garden for all the tenants. So this will have 1 appliance each, and then the second kitchen will have the remainder of the appliances. Right now, here is the existing kitchen that came with the property. So we've inherited this kitchen. So this will be a bedroom. Ensuite will be on your right hand side, just over here, incorporating some of the area under the stairs. And then the existing bathroom and wall will be removed with a new steel put up here to structurally support the building. And this will be opened up to create quite a decent sized, large double bedroom. So next up, I'm going to show you upstairs where we've got another 2 bedrooms. So as I said, the layout is 2 on the ground, 2 on the first and 2 on the second floor. So I'll show you the first floor. So we're in bedroom 3 at the moment. Again, quite a nice double. We've created an ensuite swing just on your left over here. That's where our ensuite will be, which has a nice window. So got not enough light coming in for your ensuite. And this will be a double bedroom with your wardrobe, kitchenette over here, and your desks over there with your bed over on this side. So like I said, nice big bedroom. Going through here. So as I said, we're partitioned up so you can kind of see what the space will look like. The chimney here that needs to be removed again. And this will be the second kitchen. So this will be a second kitchen area that will service a lot of the tenants from the upper floors. So we usually allocate the storage spaces within the kitchen for the rooms, so everyone at least knows where their space is, so everyone's got adequate storage space. And a pan over here, one of our larger bedrooms, in bedroom number 4. It's at the front of the house. Again, will be made bigger by removing the chimney. For the chimney supports, we're actually looking for a bracket system, which our architect's currently designing, which will be done in the next couple of weeks. And then you can see, like, we've got the ensuite here, nice big bedroom. These rents for these rooms vary from £750 to £800 onwards. So we're looking at a good annual income for at least the bigger bedrooms. It's where you make most of the income. So this property was a terrace over the ground and first floor. In order to get the size and space that we needed to make a 6-bedroom all-ensuite HMO, we wanted to create a loft space. Now, under permitted development for a terraced house, you can create a loft space up to 40 cubic meters. So I'll show you how we did this one under PD. So I'm currently standing in bedroom number 5, which is the front of the eaves. As you can see, quite a decent space. We've managed to get 2 rooms in the loft space because it's an L-shaped dormer. So the property is kind of an L-shape. Underneath the 40 cubic meters, I think we are about 38 cubic meters of space. So therefore, it's permitted development. Now, with these lofts, I have to add that we always try and put in a certificate of lawful development just to protect us for the future. If anything for planning enforcement comes against us, that we're putting this in lawfully. So we put this in, got it approved as a loft conversion under permitted development. So you can see currently quite a good space. There's enough head height in here. The minimum space requirements in this council for HMO room, which the majority of councils is 6.5 to 1 square meters. Now they only account for that space above 1.5 meters of height. So as you can see, we've got that height quite comfortably here. Again, probably a small double room here with an ensuite as well. And then if you pan around, I'll show you our 6th bedroom. So bedroom number 6 is currently in our L-shaped part of the dormer. So again, nice double room with an ensuite, with a window in the ensuite as well. And that completes our 6-bedroom HMO. So I hope you guys enjoyed the small tour. So here's a snapshot of the plans before. And here's how we were able to create this 3-bedroom terrace house into a 6-bedroom all-ensuite HMO. So we usually work in the same area, most of our projects within an hour commuting distance from where we are, where we're based in Ruislip. Again, same thing with this. We had a property on the road that we've converted into a HMO before. The same agent that we bought that property through actually contacted us to say this one's coming on the market. Before it actually hit all the portals like Rightmove and Zoopla, they called us, so technically it's an off-market deal that we managed to purchase for £270,000. Now with the legals and the stamp and everything that was part of this process with the finance cost, the total cost was about about 460,000. That's including the refurbishment of 140,000 pounds. Now the end GDV, which was guaranteed from the front end, was 550,000. So we are able to refinance at 75% loan to value, which equates to just over 412,000 pounds. So we're able to take most of the money out of this deal, reuse those funds and find similar projects. So the benefits of investing in a similar area is that you don't need to necessarily rely on comparables to find on Rightmove and Zoopla. We actually have a similar property on this road that achieves £750 per room. So when we're calculating the rental income on this particular project, we essentially use what we're getting at the moment. So £750 per room, on average, we're looking at about £54,000 gross income. So at the current time of recording, the mortgage rates are around about the 6.5% mark. Now taking that into account, alongside the management fees, you're looking at a net income on this particular property of just over £16,000 per year. So alongside our current partnerships with the banks that we work with, such as Octane, Glenhawk, LendHub and Shawbrook, our client actually only had to put in £115,000 of their own capital into this project. Upon refinance, they'll be leaving about £50,000 in. Now, using that as a calculation to determine how much they've actually made, we use a calculation called ROCE, which is return on capital employed, which works out to be just under 30% for this deal. So by the time this video is actually released, you've just missed out on our crazy HMO webinar that we held. And we've got a huge opportunity for you guys out there who want to get into HMO space to understand how we do this and break down these type of deals on a regular basis, actually give you the opportunity to come and meet us on site to ask all the questions that you want by joining our online community. So we've got currently over 650 members on our community at the moment. So currently this community is free to join. There's a link somewhere in the screen or in the description below. So guys, if you want to stay up to date with this project and learn some HMO tips along the way, please like and subscribe.